What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's episode, we're going to be changing the engine intake air filter on a 2013 Chevy Equinox. So here is the Fram model number for the actual air filter. If I can take it out. So this is what it looks like. All right, so first step, we're going to pop the hood. So you come inside the vehicle, we have the hood handle right here. Once you have the hood popped, you're gonna come over to this side of the vehicle. Here is where the air filter compartment is, and there are 4 screws. One here, 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 and one here. So there's 2 on the back side, 2 on the front side. 4 screws. They are a star head. I don't know if I can zoom in on this. So it's a star head screw. And you can use, let's see the head. It's a T20 star head to loosen up the screws. So you're just gonna wanna loosen up the 4 screws here. I have one left to unscrew. So once that's done, pop it out. And then you'll be able to take this head compartment off. And it just pops up like this. And then here's the old air filter. And then you're gonna want to install the new air filter. See, same type. So you're gonna want to pick that up. Just pop it into place. There we go, perfect fit. And that's all there is to it, guys. You just put the 4 screws back and you are good to go. We got a brand new intake engine air filter. And once again, this is the model number for a 2013 Chevy Equinox. And I got this filter online for about 15 bucks. All right, everyone, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.